Raw pharmacy honest review, work before using. So Raw, formerly known as Roman, is a telehealth company that provides a range of healthcare service, including prescription medication for conditions like hair loss, erectile dysfunction, weight management, and more. So though it's online platform, Ro connects users with licensed healthcare professionals for virtual consultation and delivers medication directly to their homes. And here are the key features about this platform. So users can consult with licensed healthcare providers online for various health concerns and also offer treatment for conditions such as hair loss, sexual health issues, and weight management. And medications are shipped directly to customers in discreet packaging and provide ongoing treatment plan with automatic refills and continuation support. And here are the pros and cons about this platform. Online consultation and home delivery eliminate the needs for in-person pharmacy visits and also offer a wide range of service, include treatment for hair loss, sexual health, and weight management. And also they provide continuous access to healthcare professionals for follow-up questions and support. And here are the cons and downside about this platform. So talking about the downside about this platform, the service, the cost. So the service cost of medications are not typically covered by insurance, requiring out of pocket payment. And also some users report delay in communication and medication delivery, and also not suitable for all medical conditions, primarily focus on specific health concern. And if you want more customer review, you can just simply go to realreview.io for more customer reviews about this Raw pharmacy. And here's the final conclusion about this platform. Raw offer a convenient solution for individuals seeking treatment for specific health conditions without the need for in-person consultation. However, potential users should be aware of the cost involved, as services are generally not covered by insurance. And additionally, while many customers have positive experience, some have reported issues with communication and delivery time. It is advisable to consider these factors and consult with a healthcare professionals to determine if Rose Pharmacy service align with your healthcare needs.